Two models, four real-world builds, same prompts, no hints, no retreats. On one side, Claude Fable 5, the model everyone calls the artist. On the other, GPT 5.6. We handed both the exact same four challenges and let the results do the talking. Let's find out. Test 1. Build a 3D city that runs right in the browser. One file, real geometry, no game engine. Watch them go. GPT 5.6 on the left, Fable 5 on the right. Both actually pull it off. A full skyline you can fly around. But the personalities, night and day. GPT builds the literal complete city, every block filled in. Fable reaches for mood, golden light, atmosphere, the shot that belongs in a trailer. Test 2 raises the bar, a playable 3D flight combat game. Not a demo, a game you can actually fly. GPT 5.6 delivers a moody arcade cockpit, lock on, fire, dodge. Fable 5 goes bright and cinematic with a full heads-up display and enemies swarming in. Two completely different games, both from a single prompt, both playable start to finish. Test 3 is pure art, an animated paper craft scene layered like cut construction paper. This is where Fable 5 really flexes. A warm, handmade world, every layer alive. GPT 5.6 answers with drama. A lone samurai, moonlight, a rising sun. Honestly, both are gorgeous, but Fables has that extra touch of soul. Test 4, a data-rich interactive web app, the kind of thing you'd actually ship. Both build slick, working dashboards you can click right through. GPT 5.6 is clean, fast, and readable. Fable 5 layers on the polish, richer visuals, that finished designed feel. On real product work, this one is genuinely close. So, 4 builds, 2 models, let's add it up. On raw visual polish, Fable 5 takes it. The render, the mood, the wow factor. On completeness and code, the most finished, most literal build, GPT 5.6 edges ahead, and it wrote more code getting there. It's basically a split. Beauty in one corner, value in the other, which brings us to the number that actually decides it. Because the outputs were close, but the price tags were not. On the exact same city build, GPT 5.6 cost about $1.34. Fable 5, nearly $4, roughly 3 times more for the very same task. That's the trade. Fable gives you the prettier answer. GPT gives you nearly as good for a third of the price. So which do you actually reach for? Pick Fable 5 when the output has to wow, the hero demo, the pitch, the thing that has to sell. Reach for GPT 5.6 when you want it done well and done cheap. Complete, reliable, a third of the cost. Fable is the artist. GPT is the workhorse. Now, you know exactly when to call each one. That's it for today's video of Kernelcast. Stay tuned for more.